Are you a student, freelancer, or a working professional, or a business owner? These top communication skills are for you. Make sure that you watch it till the end. Now let's understand about these top 4 skills. The first one is called as one-to-one communication skill. This is a skill when you are connecting with people one-to-one. Let's consider you meet a new person in a bus stand or in a railway stand or in an airport, right? How do you actually connect with that person? So can you go confidently and speak about yourself, introduce and build that conversation? Most of the time people actually face this problem that they go blank. They don't know what to speak. They feel fearful. They get nervous. And this is the situation that one needs to master, where you can connect with common people, and also if you start building this skill to the next level, you can also connect with global people. So usually one-on-one communication comes with this very important principle that is called as local to global. If you can connect one-to-one confidently with your work colleagues, slowly over a period of time, you will start getting promoted and you will also start communicating confidently with the CEO of that company also. That wouldn't be a problem. But if you are very shy, saying in connecting and communicating with the local people who are in and around you, then connecting with the global people will become very difficult. And one of the very important ingredient in this is that you have to get started immediately. Which means that, think about it, you are actually a student right now, but in your class, so most of the time we give an identity to ourselves saying that I'm an introvert. I don't want to speak with people, or I'm shy. I don't know how to come out of it. Don't worry, I'll give you a solution at the very end of this particular video. Make sure that you stay till the end. But hope you understood this one-on-one communication is a very important and a crucial role, and if you play it fully, you will be able to get yourself to any level in career that what you want. The second important people skill or a communication skill is one-to-many or a public communication skill. So this is the next level of one-to-one communication. If you see any leaders today whom you recognize as leaders today in the society have mastered this skill, that is public speaking or group communication. So tomorrow you are actually promoted as a manager, or tomorrow you are managing your own team members. So you need to know how to communicate your ideas and help them with that. And once you are able to do that, things will be able to be more clear and things will be very, very easy for people to understand as well. But the secret ingredient for this is that you need to understand the purpose behind why you are doing what you are doing when you are connecting with people. The third type of a communication skill is called as video communication skills. The web place where I am actually doing a video with you right now. This is a video communication skill. And my ability to create the video or your ability to learn how to create video can help you share your knowledge, share your experience, support others with your skills, and serve others with lot more possibilities and create impact. And when you do video communication, one more good advantage that what you'll have is that you don't need to be there every single time. You do not need to be live there. Right now, you're watching the recording, but still you are there. You are getting the benefit of this. You are learning something. And that is what today platforms like YouTube, Instagram, various different courses, program, people are buying through video, right? People are consuming through video. And in the future, in the next 5 years, so video, and even we are going to go to a completely next level of communication where video is going to be much more real, like augmented reality, virtual reality. In combination with holography or in combination with AI, things are going to be completely different level. And it is very important that you start mastering this video communication, where you will actually have the time freedom and also still be able to impact and serve other people. And this is also called as omnipresence. You can be present in multiple places at a time. Alright, when you learn how to do video communication, you can literally connect with as many people as possible. The fourth type of communication is written communication, where your ability to write gets enhanced. And this skill is also called as a legacy skill. Because if you see all the scriptures, right, from Ramayana, Mahabharata, Quran, Bible, everything, there is a way that they documented their knowledge, their experience to communicate with the next generation people. Similarly, if you master communication skill, that specifically a written communication skill, You can grow in your career, not just that, you can build a legacy. You can become an author. I wrote my first book in 2019, which is Why Being Independent is Awesome. I launched my within a single month, I launched my second book called as X Money Secrets. So that is exactly how you can write your books. You can share your knowledge. You can connect with people through email, or you can connect with people through social media by writing content on LinkedIn and various different social media profiles. And that is what is possible with written communication. But I know for sure you are thinking there is more to that. Absolutely, there is more to that. And that is the reason why I invite you for the 90 minutes masterclass on mastering your communication skill. And I know that you will be amazed with how you can use communication skills to grow your career, grow your relationships, and also grow your income. So that is exactly what you're going to learn in the 90 minutes masterclass. So click on the link in the description and register yourself for the upcoming masterclass. I would look forward to see you in the masterclass.